So this softball field is 1/4 of a circle. So if I were to actually finish drawing it out, I'm not going to do a great job of this, but it's going to look something like that. And we have a few sides to this circle. We have this side of the field. So we have a side that's 250 feet, and then we've got another side that's 250 feet. And then we've got this quarter arc. So we need to figure out what that's going to be able to add these together. So the two sides that we know, it's 500 feet. That's super easy. Then what we need to do is figure out the circumference and divide it by 4. So if we look here, the circumference of this circle is going to be 500 feet. And what you need to do is take that 500 feet and multiply it by pi. But since this problem says that we're going to get the exact area, you don't have to do any multiplication here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that 500 and divide it by 4, because we need 1/4 of the field. So that comes out to be 125 pi. So then when you take this 500 and this 125 pi and you put it together, you get 500 plus 125, and on assessments we type in pi, and that's your answer. It's the two sides that are straight plus the quarter arc of the circle.